Makeup can be exciting when you're just starting out, but it can also feel frustrating when your look doesn't turn out the way you imagined. Most of the time, it's not about talent, it's about avoiding a few common mistakes. In today's video, I'll share the biggest makeup mistakes beginners make, and how you can avoid them. If you're new to makeup, this will save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's start with mistake number 1. Skipping skin prep. Many beginners go straight into applying foundation, without moisturizing or priming. But makeup only looks as good as the skin underneath. Dry patches, oiliness, and uneven texture will show through. The solution is simple. Cleanse your face, apply moisturizer, and if you can, use a primer that suits your skin type. It makes a huge difference in how smooth and long-lasting your makeup looks. Mistake number 2, using the wrong foundation shade. This is so common, especially when shopping without testing. Your foundation should disappear into your skin, not sit on top, looking too light or too dark. The fix? Always test foundation on your jawline, not your hand, and whenever possible, step into natural light before you buy. That's how you'll know it truly matches. Mistake number 3, overdoing the brows. Beginners often draw them on too thick, too dark, or too boxy. Remember, brows frame the face. Instead of using a heavy hand, go in with light strokes that mimic natural hair. Use a spoolie to blend and choose a shade close to your natural brow colour. Soft and natural always looks better, especially if you're still learning. Mistake number 4, not blending enough. Harsh lines from foundation, concealer, or eyeshadow are a dead giveaway of inexperience. The secret to professional looking makeup is blending. Take your time with your beauty sponge or brush, and don't rush the process. Even affordable products can look flawless if you blend properly. Mistake number 5, applying too much product at once. Whether it's foundation, blush, or highlighter, piling it on makes it harder to fix. The trick is to build slowly. Start with a small amount and layer as needed. It's always easier to add more than to take away. Mistake number 6, ignoring undertones. Beginners often wonder why their lipstick or foundation doesn't look flattering. It's usually because it clashes with their undertone. If you have warm undertones, shades with gold or peach will suit you. If you're cool-toned, pinks and blues look better. And if you're neutral, lucky you can pull off most colours. Learning your undertone will completely change how your makeup looks. Mistake number 7, forgetting to set makeup. Many beginners apply foundation and concealer, then skip powder or setting spray. That's why their makeup slides off in a few hours. Even if you have dry skin, a light dusting of translucent powder or a spritz of setting spray will lock everything in place. Mistake number 8, bad lighting. This one is sneaky. You might think your makeup looks perfect, but step outside and it's patchy or uneven. Always apply makeup in good natural light or invest in an affordable ring light. It makes a huge difference. So let's recap quickly. The most common beginner mistakes are using the wrong foundation shade, skipping skin prep, overdoing the brows, not blending enough, applying too much at once, ignoring undertones, forgetting to set your makeup, and working in bad lighting. Avoid these mistakes, and your makeup will instantly look more polished and professional, even if you are a beginner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also learning makeup. And if you want to take things further, check the link in the description or my bio for my beginner makeup artist book. where I share step-by-step tips to turn your makeup passion into profit. See you in my next video.